Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Importance of the longshore and harbor workers compensation is. The LHWCA was first enacted in 1927 to cover most maritime and docks workers not otherwise covered by the Jones Act or other workers' compensation laws. It was amended in 1972 to extend coverage to maritime workers on land. If you are a longshore or harbor worker and you have been seriously injured in a Houston offshore accident or have contracted a serious occupational disease while working, your employer may be held liable. The compensation you may receive under the LHWCA can help you maintain financial stability and cover the cost of your medical treatment while you recover from a serious injury. Additionally, the Act allows an injury workers or surviving family members to sue a third party for negligence in causing the injury or death. In such a case, an injured worker may be entitled to monetary compensation for past and future medical costs, loss of earning capacity, physical limitation, and physical pain. Families of longshore and harbor workers killed in accident may be able to pursue compensation for the wrongful death of their loved ones. And then next about who is covered by the Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act. A longshoreman, repairman, shipbuilders, shipbreakers, loaders, and unloaders are generally covered under the LHWCA. Employees who meet those requirements are generally eligible for temporary or permanent disability payments, depending on the nature of their injuries, as well as medical treatment, transportation, and rehabilitation efforts. LHWCA benefits are available to maritime employees who pass both status and situs tests. The status test has to do with the type of work an employer performs. Under the LHWCA, at least some of an employer's duties must be considered maritime duties. The situs test relates to the location where the employer generally performs his or her duties. Employees who work on, near, or around the water are typically covered. And then next about how hours longshore and harbor workers compensation is. Attorneys can help if you have been injured while working as a longshoreman or harbor workers. It's important to contact a knowledgeable Houston Maritime Accident lawyer who is well versed in all legal matters related to federal maritime laws, including the Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act. Our compassionate Houston Maritime Accident lawyers will be with you and your family every step of the way. When an accident leaves you temporarily or permanently injured, our team will fight to ensure that the employer or third party responsible for your injury is held accountable and that you receive fair compensation. Our maritime accident lawyers have represented Texas residents injured in the Gulf of Mexico at ports of call in several Gulf Coast states and in shipping terminals off the coast of Texas. We provide a free consultation if you are seeking compensation for a catastrophic injury. And then next about Houston ship accident lawyers. Because of its access to the Gulf of Mexico, Houston is a major U.S. port city with a thriving shipping industry. The Port of Houston ranks at the top of American ports for foreign waterborne tonnage import and export tonnage, as well as being the leading brick pulls port in the nation. An estimated 200 million tons of cargo are shipped through Houston annually on dozens of vessels and barges. The prevalence of shipping activity translates into jobs for many Houston residents and into many boats, ship, and barge crew members traveling through the city. The shipping industry can provide good jobs. However, boats, ships, barges, and other vessels can also present hazardous working conditions when a shipping company, vessel owners, or responsible contractor doesn't ensure a safe environment. Injuries are common in maritime industry and commonly result from falls from heights or into the waters. Unsecure object failing and shrieking vessel crew members. Faulty or improperly maintained equipment malfunctioning. Improperly trained crew members performing job in an unsafe manner. Lack of proper safety gear to protect workers, and etc. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.